These look so realistic. I'm putting these behind my garbage can in this area. I have 2 garbage cans that sit right here and they are tearing up the wall. These are gonna help protect my sheetrock. You get 10 in a pack. They are a little bit padded, so that will be helpful for my situation. They look good with my flooring and I'm so excited to do this project. So I've actually been scoring this. This is how it's been coming out. It's looking really good. Once I score, you can kind of bend it there and it pretty much breaks off. I do go through it with the scissors, and the reason I don't just use the scissors is because I just want to make sure I have a perfectly straight line. So I'm just doing it this way. Ta-da! That looks just literally amazing. So I had to do a few little angles there, but I think it turned out really nice. Most of it was straightforward, except for that one little angle, but I think it looks really good. So I did 3 strips across this way, and then 1, 2, 3, I think I did 4 strips that way, and I have 1 extra. Thanks for sending me this to review. I really like it.